It's pretty special to the traditional owners that have been here for generations upon generations.
I look at places and I think this one's very unique.
There's something that is coming that's going to be affecting all of us, every single human being on this planet, and that is the next industrial revolution. So Industry 5.0 is where technology, everything we've ever created, exists for a purpose, and that purpose is for something good, that purpose is for human beings. How do we get people to understand the natural resources of humankind using technology? How do we take people to places that they may never have been before and inspire them?
It's interesting coming up here and first chatting with Johnny about how we might use AI in the artwork. You know, I could see straight away that if we had a photo, there's simple things like AI to recognise the objects. And initially my mind thought about developing a catalogue of heritage assets, and that way, it's that first step of heritage protection, knowing what's there.
So when you bring technology to a place like this, when you start recording the sounds, you start recording the art, you start listening to the stories, what you're doing is not only preserving that information, you're transforming that experience, which means you can give it to somebody that may not be able to physically get here.
It's important because you're carrying on the tradition when our folks, they are the original mappers anyway. Here we are in 2021 coming out here with drones and the new cameras. It's important to do that because we've got to retain our culture, we've got to show the next generation what we're doing. So we're just continuing the great work that our people did years ago. So I'm sure people like the grandfathers, they'd be smiling, looking at us.